Hi guys! So ngayon, good morning! So meron ka bang VUL plans or insurance with investment plans na na-avail kahit sa ang company man yan? So may isang tip ako today. So we are all aware that today is very down ang market and we are all experiencing na mababang rates, we are all experiencing mababang returns sa ating investment. Pero isipin mo, this is a very good opportunity na mag-top up or mag-increase ng value ng investment mo. So, top up is isa yan sa mga option na pwede mong gawin sa iyong VUL plans. So, pwede mong i-consult yan sa iyong financial advisor. So, bigyan na kita ng konting idea bakit best time to top up na kahit down yung market. Think about this. So, sa isang mall, kapag sale, yung mga damit, yung any products na binibenta nila sa mall is naka-sale, automatically, yung prices niya is naka-drop. So, mura. So, magmamadali ka na bumili at pumila para mabili yung item na gusto mo. So, parang same lang yan sa investment. So, since down ng market, so all the prices are cheap. So, all the shares na pwedeng mo mabili is mura. So, mas marami kang mabibili na shares. So, if in case na tumaas naman yung value ng shares na nabili mo today, so that's a very good effect sa investment mo dahil more shares, more return on investment. So, isa yan sa mga number one tip ko today. So, yun guys, for more additional tip, follow my page. So, thank you so much and have a nice day and have a more money for the future.